Let's turn on, guys. Diba? Hello amigos, in today's video, going to unbox another product from Razer. I'm very excited because it's a kind of like I never have this before. Wala sa mind kong bumili nito pero nabili ko siya is because I have the budget na. No further ado, let's go to the unboxing. So guys, I have here product from Data Blitz. Oh my gosh! Kung pwede lang guys, dun ako titira. Promise. Let's have this. I have here. Let's unbox muna ito. Kasi naka-sealed kasi siya. Tagal ko na itong gustong i-unbox kasi lang there's a lot of things happening in my life lately. Yeah. So we have here the Razer Leviathan V2 X. It's a PC soundbar with full range drivers, compact desktop form factors, Type-C power, and an audio delivery. It's a Bluetooth, Razer Synapses, Razer Chroma RGB, and a 1-year warranty. So ito yung setup nila guys. Yung soundbar natin ilalagay natin dito. So let's unbox. Ang cute nyo guys from Illuminate Your Sound. Look guys, oh my god. So meron ditong parang instructions how to do it. So we have install, position, power on, switch all the sources. Pwede natin siya i-connect sa ating phone. Kukunin na lang natin ito. I don't know where to start, pero I think ito na lang. So before ito guys, I'll show you what's inside the box as well. So wala na siyang laman. We have here a small pocket box. So dito I think wala na siyang laman. Sa small box na to, we have the cord. We have the C-type cord papunta sa PC natin. And then we have the manual for sure. Meron siyang maliit na sticker. Mabuti may sticker. Kasi matagal ko na itong gustong bilhin. And then they already released another na Pro. So here is guys, meron siyang parang cloth na lalagyan. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Really cool. Diba? Oh my gosh. Guys, look. Meron siya ditong sound. This is the bass for sure. And then ito yung stand. A rubber na mag-grip. And then the C-type USB cord. And then here it is guys. It's also RGB dito. We have here the on and off button, minus and plus, and then the Bluetooth, and I don't know what's the sign of this. Let's see on the manual. Source button. Ang source button siguro palalaman kung anong source na gagamitin kasi source button siya. I don't know how to use it with a C-type. Okay guys, since we don't have a C-type sa PC natin, so let's connect na lang yung C-type natin dito sa adapter ko. Ayan. Let's connect na lang for us to try it. So, wala naman siyang signal na nag-red siya or what. Let's turn on guys. Diba? So, let's connect the Razer Leviathan version 2 dito sa PC natin. And guys, you see, let's click lang the Bluetooth button and then let's connect. Ayun. It says connect. Let's try the ano lang guys, sa sound. Kasi di tayo makapag-set up ng dito sa PC natin kasi wala tayong C-type.
But I know you're somewhere else, you're just on my mind.
So I cannot do some music guys kasi baka ma-copyright tayo. Yung gagawin natin is magpe-play ako ng vlog ko na lang. This is my latest vlog. Hello guys, this is Will. Welcome back to another video. In today's video guys, we're going to unbox a product from Saramonic. Decrease it and then increase it. Saramonic sent us a product that I'm going to review and to use it for my vlogging, and this is good for podcasting and vlogging outside. No further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Okay guys, let's do it. Saramonic, and thank you very much Saramonic for... Ayan guys, oh my gosh, hindi siya gaanong masakit. I can sing for sound purposes, but for music, yes, but this is for our game, diba? Ayan guys, that's all for today guys, and I hope you liked the unboxing video, and see you on my next vlog. I just miracles, peace out, bye!
I got deja vu. I saw you at a table at a road spot set for two. With that look in your eye when you smile like you always do. But this time it wasn't me that was sitting there next to you.